This is a painting demonstration in the Archcult event. This is a yearly event in the Department of Architecture, NIT, Trichy. The workshop was on the watercolor landscape painting. A group of 30 students from different architecture colleges around the country participated in the workshop. A step-by-step demo was done with the introduction of the proper colors, paper and brushes. At the end of the demo, students interestingly participated in asking the doubts. Then they started on their own to create a landscape painting which results in a with cheer and happiness. The results actually were very amazing at the end. We could see an array of 30 different landscapes in the workshop. Happily, they dispersed, taking the very interesting moments, happiness in the workshop.